good evening. Welcome to my channel once again. Today we're looking at circle theory. Circle theory. So for this circle theorem, we'll be looking at look at the questions I have on the board. I have problem on length of a chord, number one. Number two, area of a sector. Number two, the area of a sector. Number three, we have problem on the perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of a sector. So we have 1, 2, 3, and number two, we have perimeter of a circle. Now look at it. The first thing you will do to escape problem under circle theory, this is part 1 of circle theory. We'll have the other part of circle theory where we are asked to find equal angles. Angle at the circumference that is equal to angle at the center. All those ones, they are still under circle theorem, but they are still a part or a section of circle theory. Now for this first part, first of all, the first issue we have on this board is to calculate the length of a chord which subtends an angle of 108 at the center of a circle of radius 14 cm. First of all, I put down the formula for the length of a chord, which is equal to theta over 3 times 2 pi r. So after saying that, for my question now, the theta is the angle, the 2 we know this as the value, and this pi constant is 22 over 7 or 3.146 or 3.142. So that's the constant, but here we'll use 22 over 7. Then the r is the radius. Now, whenever you are asked to solve, and if you are being given a diameter instead of radius divided by 2, but if the question says diameter, what you will do is that you will just divide the diameter by 2 to get it in radius form. Now, I put down my formula, theta over 3 times 2 pi r. The angle for my question is 108, which I just effected here, over 3 times 2 came down, this pi came down, and this radius is what? 14 from the first question. So I times up, it gave me 66528. I times down, and it gave me 2520. So from there, I divided and I got 26.4 centimeters. Sometimes, if you still approximate wrongly, you will still get a wrong answer. Learn how to approximate your answer. Normal is 2 decimal place. Then for the number 2, they say find the perimeter of a circle. First of all, I put down the formula for the perimeter of a circle which says is 2 pi r. Perimeter of a circle which is equal to 2 pi r. Then after putting it down, my 2 came down, my pi is what? 22 over 7, my radius is what? So they gave me here diameter, not what? Radius. Look at what they say diameter here. So if it's diameter, divide by 2. If it's radius, use 14. That was why I answered over 2. So 2 came down, my pi is my pi, then my radius is what it is.